It's a 2015 Honda Accord sedan. Honda made no compromises with this luxurious and practical Accord. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. This from Kelley Blue Book. The Accord is synonymous with Honda and has been known for nearly 4 decades as a reliable, comfortable, pragmatic way to move families. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.